Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO Pad, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find privacy protection. Then let's enter special permissions, and here we have to localize this option, install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just find the app you'd like to change, you'd like to customize, and tap on it. Then let's tap on the switcher, and as you can see here, we've got the warning, because you have to be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Before you will be able to confirm everything, you have to mark this statement that you're aware of the possible risks, and then tap on OK. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the Chrome in my case is allowed to install some content. And of course it works the same with all other apps. If you want to, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the Chrome or the app which you've previously allowed to install something, and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.